Hi everybody, I'm Brendan from timeghost, and well, for this video, also from absentify. That's because timeghost has partnered with a really cool app called absentify, which tracks all of your absences. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your absentify account with your timeghost account so that you could, for example, book a vacation in absentify and have that shown as an automatic entry in your timeghost account, showing when and how long you're on vacation. But you can use my example from today to create your own automated process to carry entries from absentify over to timeghost.
So let me introduce you to my imaginary friend Max, who's booked some really awkward vacation time at the beginning of April. So first we'll go to the top right-hand corner menu of absentify, click on Settings, and go to Integrations. And of course, we want to integrate timeghost into our absentify account. And our first job is to configure this. We'll add a new timeghost synchronization, and we have to give it a name. We can name this anything we like. For this example, I'll call it Video Example, and a description of what this integration will do for us. When I press Next, I see Leave Type for timeghost sync and Departments for timeghost sync. My imaginary friend Max has his leave types in German, but Urlaub means vacation, and the departments are also explained in German. But you'll have these specifically configured for yourself in your own account, in the language of your choice. Next, we need the timeghost API key, which we'll find in timeghost. We'll go to the top right menu and click My Profile. Here at the bottom we see the API key, and we'll just copy and paste. This part may not apply to you, but if you've got more than one workspace, it's good to make sure that you're linking up the same workspaces. And because Max wants to create time entries in timeghost for vacation times that happened in the past, we need to click Add Past Absences. Now that everything's been saved correctly, let's go over to timeghost and see if our entries have been created. And we'll just scroll through real quick to see if all of our entries are here. You'll also notice that on the 13th of April, when Max took a whole day off, there's even a break included.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope that really helped. Let us know in the comments below if you'd like a part 2 to this video. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about the process, give us a shout.